8244. When inspecting an aircraft reciprocating engine, what document is used to determine if the proper magnetos are installed? A. Instruction for continued airworthiness issued by the engine manufacturer. B. Engine manufacturer's maintenance manual. C. Aircraft engine specifications or type certificate data sheets. The correct answer is C. When inspecting an aircraft reciprocating engine to determine if the proper magnetos are installed, one would refer to the aircraft engine specifications or type certificate data sheets. These documents provide detailed information about the engine, including the approved configurations and components. 8245. Which of the following can inspect and approve an engine major repair to return to service? A. SU-1 certificated mechanic with airframe and ratings. B. Certificated mechanic with a Powerplant rating. C. Certificated mechanic with inspection authorization. The correct answer is C. A certificated mechanic with inspection authorization, IA, is authorized to inspect and approve an engine major repair to return to service. An IA is an individual who holds a special authorization issued by the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, that allows them to perform inspections and approve the return to service of aircraft, including major repairs. 8246. What publication is used for guidance to determine whether a power plant repair is major or minor? A. Airworthiness directives. B. 14 CFR Part 43. C. Aircraft Owner's Manual. The correct answer is B. Specifically, 14 CFR Part 43, Subpart D, outlines the criteria for major repairs and major alterations. Major repairs generally involve substantial work that could affect the structural strength, performance, or flight characteristics of the aircraft or power plant. On the other hand, minor repairs are typically routine maintenance tasks that do not significantly impact the overall airworthiness of the aircraft. Airworthiness directives, ADs, mentioned in Option A are regulatory requirements issued by aviation authorities to address safety concerns or required actions for aircraft or aircraft components. While ADs may provide specific instructions for repairs or alterations, they do not provide comprehensive guidance for determining whether a repair is major or minor. 8247. The airworthiness standards for the issue of type certificates for small airplanes with 9 or less passenger seats in the normal, utility, and acrobatic categories may be found in the A. 14 CFR Part 23. B. Supplemental Type Certificate. C. 14 CFR Part 2L. The correct answer is A. The airworthiness standards for the issue of type certificates for small airplanes with 9 or fewer passenger seats in the normal, utility, and acrobatic categories can be found in 14 CFR Part 23. Part 23 of the Federal Aviation Regulations, FARs, outlines the specific regulations and requirements for the design, construction, and certification of small airplanes. 8248. Which of the following contains approved data for performing a major repair to an aircraft engine? A. Engine type certificate data sheets. B. Supplemental type certificates. C. Manufacturer's maintenance instructions when FAA-approved. The correct answer is C. Approved data for performing a major repair to an aircraft engine can be found in the manufacturer's maintenance instructions when they have been approved by the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA. The manufacturer's maintenance instructions provide detailed procedures and guidelines for maintaining, repairing, and overhauling aircraft engines.